Man, it's a rainy day now. And I'm just gonna go outside. I just ran all the way over here. Because I didn't want to get wet. Well, I'm just gonna run around. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, that hurt. Ugh, ow. I tripped over that rock. Get out of your rock, I'm gonna drill you. I'm gonna go somewhere else. Should I go off this gate? Nah, I'm just gonna go somewhere else. Oh, dang, it's raining. Man, it's so dark. You barely see. Man, where's Mario? Can't see because it's so dark. Gotta find him. Yay! Oh man, I'm just tired. I'm just gonna rest here. I think I see Mario. Is that him? I can barely see it. I'm just gonna we'll see if that's him. Oh, hey Mario. Hi, Bowser Jr. What are you doing? Oh, I'm just resting from the rain. I really don't know why. I just don't want to get wet under this tree. Oh, okay. You want to play in the rain? Bro, what did I just say? Oh, yeah. Sorry. It's okay. Oh, see ya. See ya. Now what? I don't know what to do. And yeah, what should I do? Man, I'm just gonna go over there. Let's go. Man, it looks like it stopped raining. Let's go. Man, there's a lot of trash around here. Kind of. There's trash right there. There's kind of a little bit of trash. Let's go. Oh, dang, it's so dark. I can't see. I'm going inside. Because I don't want to get wet. Well, Kamek's still sleeping. I'm just gonna go to bed. Man, I'm wet now. Let's just go to sleep.